What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm going to recap a trade that I did today. Today is Tuesday, 2 something or other. But I want to show you this trade that I made, guys, because it's more than just a trade. There were so many things that happened inside this trade to culminate like this education of knowledge and all the things I've been learning over the last 2 months while trying day trading. And even though this is a day trade, like I said, it goes far beyond that trade. There was setup, psychological, plan, like all of the things that happen in this trade are the reason why I wanted to make a video about it, because I've done lots of trades and I do not do a lot of trade recaps. And it's not because this was even a perfect trade. You're going to see it's really not a lot of money, but it was just a really, really good opportunity to reflect back as I'm journaling and looking at my trades, to reflect back and see the world of education that came from this video. Inside this video, I am going to be using charts from Webull. It's a trading platform that I use. I've been shifting away from Robinhood. If you want to try Webull out, I think you should. It's a pretty good platform. They're giving away 3 free stocks this month and probably next month if I know them right. You can also get your hand on $5 of free crypto if you activate Webull Crypto. And I think you have to make a transaction of just $1. Guys, let's dive into this. You can see in the Discord where I let everybody know they've been looking and seeing a lot of these green and red charts and bars and things like that. And I will make a video on it if you want to know how I make these supply and demand zones. I got to give credit to Carmine Rosado. He's another YouTuber that trades like this, and he's been helping me, or I mean, not helping me directly. He makes videos, but on the supply and demand zones and trading with institutions as opposed to trading on the side of the retail. But I told them AMC rallied into supply. I'll be watching for a reversal out of the zone to make possible puts. I've been buying puts. First things, guys, the markets have been down. They're down again today, but I've been making money, and other people in the Discord and other people I know are making money while the markets are going down. And whether you're buying puts or just doing cash secure puts, you know, like if you're a buy and hold investor, you can be dollar cost averaging down. This is not a time to be panicked. This is a time to be happy. But if we look, all of these zones were drawn ahead of time. Okay, they were drawn on different time frames over a week, a day. Like I said, depending on where we're at on the chart. Like I said, that could be a video in itself on how to draw those if you want to, and you like this video, just get down in the comments, let me know. Say, hey Brad, make a supply and demand video. But all of these were here beforehand. So one of the critics of, I know a lot of the critics of this particular method are like, all of those, they just draw them in and they make them look good afterwards. Like I said, this post that I made was at 10:17 in the morning. All of these were there. And like I said, I was going to wait for it to break out, and then I would be interested in buying puts, meaning I wanted the price of this to go down. And I watched it, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit here, guys, and you can see right at the bottom, guys, $20, and you'll know why that $20 is not really a big deal to me in just a few minutes when I like kind of recap this whole trade. So here's where I alerted the Discord. A couple minutes later, it broke down before, okay? And this was a sign to me, like I said, that the institutions were going to start selling, okay? In the supply zone, that's where institutions are going to sell. Retail investors can't really make this big candle like this, guys. This is coming from institutions. So when it got down, I really, really got interested, but I've been really patient. Okay, patience is a virtue in this game. And these are each 5-minute candles. So you can see it's almost 10:30 in the morning at this point. The next candle dove back down, and I was really, really interested, and I almost entered on this candle, but it opened up and started coming back to the green. So I wanted to make sure that it wasn't just testing the bottom of the zone and going to travel up through the supply zone. That is something that happens and something that we see often. But the next candle was red. Then when this candle broke down below these lows, I went ahead and I entered, and I alerted the Discord on that move as well. Guys, this is all not day trading. Look, I made a VTI covered call today. Right, I'm trading the wheel with the index funds. It's not all about this. Also got in the SPY, but you can hop in the Discord if you want to see everything. Just entered puts on AMC, target 1675, stop 1775. The reason I bring this up, guys, I want to tell you, I had a plan, okay? I knew exactly where I wanted my profit to be, and I knew exactly where my stop was going to be. This eliminates emotion. It allows me to just let things happen and trust my setup and trust the things that I've learned to make that happen. I went in for 2 contracts right at that point. It broke down, and we'll see. This is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 minutes later, about an hour, I got out of this position for a 12% profit. Now, As we can see, the day is still going on. You see these candles moving. Right now, it's only 14:12 in the afternoon. I would have gotten out here, okay? And if I would have done so, if I look at just the chart of just this option play, this is where I could have gotten out, all right? And I could have made a 64% return on this option, okay? I could have made 64%. It went up. It's coming back down. Guys, in hindsight, after every trade, the price of that is going to go up, going to go down, or stay flat. So don't necessarily worry too much about that. And here's why I don't care about the 64% that I could have got, and why I'm very, very happy with the 12% that I did get. At 11:38, I told the Discord, I'm trying to be all out of my positions by noontime. Time is one thing I'm also trying to monitor. No sitting in front of the computer all day, okay? And that's exactly what I did. Guys, I'm off from work right now. This is not my job, right? I have my W-2 job. My kids are home. I told my daughter, like, hey, just give me a little bit of time. I'll play with you a little bit before you go down for a nap, you know, and 12 o'clock came. She said, Dad, can we play now? I said, yup. No sitting in front of the computer every single day. And that's kind of like what I wrote at 1:17 in the Discord, guys. I said, AMC just hit my initial target, which would have been good for a 64% return instead of 12%. If you think that I'm upset about this, please understand that trading is not my job or source of income. It's fun for me. It's just a hobby. If it were my job, or putting food on the table, or was putting food on the table, I definitely would have stayed in this position longer. It would have said, baby girl, I'm working right now, right? I can't play right now. We'll play it another time. Spending time with my kids over the last hour and a half and a 12% win is best case scenario for me, okay? So it hit my target like an hour and a half later. I could have been sitting at my computer waiting for that to happen, but I would have lost an hour and a half with my kids. And that just, to me, is not worth it. I wrote, there will be more profit setups around tomorrow, but I may not be. And guys, that really is true. Time is our most valuable asset. And that's the lesson of the whole video. That's really what I want to show, that like, this is all fun and games and it's good. And I know some people do it for a living. I know some people are just trying it out to see if they want to do it for a living. For me, it's just fun. It's fun to see a plan work out, not only with this move, with the SPY move that I made today as well. So I said, just keep enjoying today. For gosh sakes, can the kid get an emoji? Every time I look at somebody else's Discord, there's freaking emojis everywhere. And they never give me any emojis. They never, so shameless plug for the emoji. Speaking of shameless plugs, guys, if you do not know, I have a podcast with JJ Buckner called The Average Money Podcast. I'll link that down below if you want to hear JJ and I every Wednesday night just talk all about money and just money. You could check that out. But that's it. $20, okay? 12.3% return. Not a lot of money at stake here, guys. It was like $200. And like I said, who wouldn't take 12%? When you look at the percentages, it makes things look a lot better than the $20. People say, not worth it for the $20. You're absolutely right. It was never about the $20 for me. It's about education. It's about learning and just enjoying the process. Keep a positive mindset, and that's really all you can do until I see you guys on the next one. Stay positive. Work really, really hard. Always please. Be kind to one another. Hope you have yourself an amazing day and an even better tomorrow. I'm going to have a Lambo. Jets. I'm going to be the best damn day trader ever.